Hello friends, welcome to another episode of the Everyone Can Do-It-Yourself Projects channel with Yanni and Elpida. That's my name, the Garage Woodworker and Elpida. And today we're going to build a nice perpetual calendar, in our case using material we had in the shop already, but you can make it, I think, much nicer if you use the same material throughout, because our blocks are not the same material as the box, the containing box, right?
Right.
If this is your first time in the channel, welcome, and please subscribe. If this is not your first time and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified every time we upload content, which is always Sunday and Wednesday, and most often than not is Saturday night and Tuesday night, right?
Yeah.
If it is your birthday, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy today's build. I hope you enjoy today's build. Alright friends, as I'm sitting down to edit the video you're about to see, I wanted to make a comment. We realized that this is a very simple and basic project, and we designed it to be that way for two reasons. First of all, so even the beginner woodworker can actually build it, and secondly, to give you the opportunity to use your imagination to improve it. I would love for you to send me pictures of the projects that you build using what we saw you today, and I hope you're having a fun with this video. Friends, welcome. Today we're going to do a fun and fairly easy project to build, but contrary to our normal way of doing things, this project requires some measuring, right? We have to... They really cannot see you. She's bubbling her head. They really cannot... No, that will give them a headache. So what we're going to build today for you will be a perpetual calendar, right? Is that the best way to say it?
Yes.
Using wood. So stick around and let us show you how we do it. So first we're going to start by ripping a piece of wood to a 3/4 by 3/4, in other words a square, and you're going to see what we're going to use this for. So, again, this apparently is to be plugged in. That is the main problem with the power tools, right?
Right.
They require power.
They do.
What is this stupid plug? Rough wood, we are going to run it through our saw to make the edges more fine, right? Mm-hmm. now we have good edges. Not perfect, but we like a little bit of rustic looks, right?
Yep.
Okay. Alright friends, we need to cut two 2x2 cubes for our project. So here, again using hot glue, we created a stop in our saw that will allow us to cut 2 inches. And the way we did that is we put the blade down and then using a measuring tape, we calculated the distance. And as you see, the calculations here on the saw are off by an eighth or something like that. So let's do this cut first. Then we need one more, right?
Yeah.
Why is not it straight?
Because of this.
No, it's the thing is not straight. It's okay. So we have one. Okay, so now we have 3 cubes that they are 2x2. And I want to show you how easy this is to remove. I just tapped it. I mean, this is extremely easy. Let's turn the heat gun again on. Is this one? Which one is the
Oh,
one?
yeah, that one.
Because now we need to go to 4? No.
Yeah, it's 4.
Yes.
Okay.
You're correct. So we move our stop to a 4-inch mark, and again it is 1/8 off, because probably that's to account for the 1/8 blade.
Yeah.
We don't know exactly why it is, but it is. And we need 3 pieces.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it leaves absolutely no residue on the saw at all. And this is very easy to take off. Ta-da! Is that flush there?
Yep.
Alright, let's see.
Is it lined up?
Yeah.
No, it needs to come
To what direction?
this way a little bit. Okay.
One straight for some reason.
Yeah, but I don't know if that's the saw or your line.
Right, help me do the staples. We don't need to report that.
Well, we need to line it up and make sure that it is right.
And this is the basic idea. We have our two number cubes in essence. We're going to write numbers here. And then we have three pieces that we're going to write the months, and they rotate, and that creates a perpetual calendar. Now, if you want to get a little fancier, we don't want to use all our propane today, so we're going to stop here. But you can router this, right? You can even make a little bit of decorative. Actually, I might do that. I might make a cut here, you know, like. You want to do a little cut or not?
I think we should have done that before we put it together.
No, we can do it now.
Okay.
But anyway, there are many ways. Again, here we're going for speed to show you how to do it. But there are definitely many ways to make this design much more elaborate than as this is, right?
Well, and the finish of it can make it more elaborate too. This is a basic.
Yes.
This is a basic product, but the finish of it, you can decoupage it, you can paint it, you can burn it, you can do all kinds of things too.
And the next step for us will be to create the writing.
Yep.
And I'll probably hit with a little bit of polyurethane. And then that will be done, right?
Yep.
So let's go into the writing now, and we're going to see you in a while. So we are writing the name of each month, 4 months per stick, right? Now there are many ways to do this. If you have a CNC machine, you can definitely use the CNC for this, right? If you can buy stencils and stencil it, or you can even use a painting brush and brush it over, right?
Yeah.
We decided to go with the simplest way.
And so we've got the other sticks here.
And we have finished the other things. We don't think it's necessary that you need to see all of those. And on the cubes, now what's important about the cubes is that you need to write different numbers on each cube. So on the first cube, on the bottom you write a 0, and on the top you write a 5, and then on the sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. On the second plug, on the second cube, you write a 0 on the bottom, an 8 on the top, and then on the sides a 1, 2, 6 and 7, and you can use the 6 as a 9 as well. So you just rotate the cube. It can be a 9 or it can be a 6. I think I would like to make a more elaborate one in the future, but for now I think this will do, right?
So,
Outside.
you want to go outside?
Yes.
Okay.
To show you inside, this is our final project, and I think for a very quick project it turned out pretty well. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice.
Again, I think I really like this project so much that I think I'm going to make another video with a little more elaborate build. Don't you think that's worth it?
Yeah.
Because this can make great gifts. Or if you want to get into woodworking for a living, this, if you do it more in a production role, like you can make 15, 16 cubes very easily in 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So this is a great project for a beginner woodworker or an advanced woodworker. And if you happen to have a CNC, you can put designs on the side, for example, not just write the numbers and letters,
Right.
but you can really make an elaborate base. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope everyone can do it yourself projects. We definitely enjoy doing it. We wanted to do a calendar for our first episode to commemorate the beginning of the new year. And also, we think this is a project that I think everyone can build. What do you think?
Yeah, that's easy.
So we wanted to start the year with something very simple that any one of you can actually build and enjoy. So if you did like this episode, please smash the like button. The rumor persists in the new year that the other button works as well. If you want to support our channel, please subscribe, like and comment so you won't miss an episode of a giveaway. A reminder that you need to be a member and like or comment by the 15th of January to be considered for our giveaway, and we want you to get the nice kit we're giving away, so make sure you do subscribe. I hope you have a great year and a great week, and we're going to see you on Wednesday with some tips and tricks.